Good morning, everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Dinesa Juliani from class 11 grade Pharmacy B, representing the Pro team.
Good morning, everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Yulia Sara, representing the team.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's debate. I will be your moderator for today's debate. Today, motion is Indonesia education system should adopt the best practice from education system abroad. Without further ado, I would like to invite the pro team and the con team to present their arguments, beginning with the pro team.
Education is one of the most important factors in determining a nation's progress. Therefore, I strongly agree with the motion that Indonesia's education system shall adopt the best practice from education system abroad as long as they are adapted to Indonesia's culture and national condition. In many developed countries, education focuses on student-centered learning. Students are not only required to memorize lessons, but are also encouraged to think critically, actively participate in discussion, collaborate with others, and solve real-life problems through project-based learning. These methods make students more active, confident, and better prepared for future challenges. In addition, teachers do not only act as instructors but are also as facilitators who guide students in developing ideas and independence.
I disagree with the notion that Indonesian education system should adopt the best practices from education system abroad. Although it is true that many countries have advanced education system, we must remember that every country have different cultures, social conditions, economic situations, and educational challenges. A system that works well in one country may not necessarily be suitable for Indonesia. Furthermore, the main problems in Indonesia education are not only related to teaching methods, but also to unequal access to education, lack of facilities, and differences in teacher quality across regions. Therefore, I believe that improving basic educational infrastructure should be the main priority before adopting foreign education system.
Thank you for your opinion. I agree that Indonesia still faces challenges in terms of facilities and equal access. However, this should not prevent us from learning from other countries. I'm not suggesting that we copy foreign system completely. Instead, we can adopt effective methods such as project-based learning, active discussion, and critical development. This improvement can be implemented step by step alongside infrastructure development so students can benefit sooner.
Thank you for your response. In my opinion, even the best teaching methods cannot be implemented effectively without proper facilities and well-trained teachers. Many schools in Indonesia still struggle with basic needs such as classrooms, laboratories, and learning materials. Therefore, improving this fundamental aspect should come first before introducing new teaching approaches.
Thank you. I understand your concern. However, I believe both can be done simultaneously. If we only focus on infrastructure without improving learning methods, the quality of education will still fall behind. Adopting good practice from abroad does not mean losing our identity, but rather improving our system by adapting useful ideas to our own culture.
Thank you for your explanation. I still believe that Indonesia should develop its education system based on its own national needs. Learning from other countries is good, but it must be carefully adjusted to local conditions so that it truly benefits all regions Indonesia.
After hearing all the arguments, I remain convinced that Indonesia should adopt the best practice from education system abroad. Not to copy them entirely, but to adapt methods that improve creativity, critical thinking, and student independence. With the proper adaptation, Indonesia education system can become stronger and more competitive globally. Thank you.
After considering all arguments, I remain firm that Indonesia should not directly adopt foreign education system. Instead, we should focus on improving our own education system based on Indonesian needs and conditions, while still respecting cultural values and national identity. By doing so, our education system can develop in a more suitable, sustainable, and fair way for all students. Thank you. Dah.